Welcome to the Microsoft Ads Training Kit Chapter 41. How to use Ad Schedule. In this video tutorial, we are going to take a look at how to use Ad Schedule, step by step. So let's get started. So from our Microsoft Ads dashboard, select All Campaigns and then select Campaigns. Select one campaign from the list. Now select Ads and Extensions. Here you can see all your ads and extensions. Now click on Settings. Here you get Ad Schedule section. Now select your targeted days, start time, end time and bid adjustment. Then you can add another one from here, change your targeted days and bid adjustment, similarly add another one and adjust your bid to decrease, so this is how you can make bid adjustments. Once you made all the changes, click on Save button. So this is how you can use Ad Schedule. Thank you for watching. Please proceed to Chapter 42. Download Microsoft Ad Editor. Inside that video, we are going to take a look at how to download Microsoft Ad Editor, step by step. See you in the next tutorial.